If you can speak these 200 question answers without thinking, your English will become automatic. Watch till the end and speak with confidence. Where is your mobile? My mobile is here in my pocket. Where is your bag? My bag is on the table. Where are you going? I am going to the market. Where do you live? I live near the city. Where is your house? My house is near the school. Where is your office? My office is in the city. Where is your brother? My brother is at home. Where is your sister? My sister is in college. Where is your father? My father is at work. Where is your mother? My mother is in the kitchen. Where is the key? The key is on the table. Where is the charger? The charger is in the bag. Where is the book? The book is on the bed. Where is the pen? The pen is in my hand. Where is the money? The money is in my wallet. Where are you sitting? I am sitting on the chair. Where are you standing? I am standing outside. Where are you working? I am working in an office. Where are you studying? I am studying at home. Where are you staying? I am staying with my family. What is your name? My name is Shiraj. What are you doing? I am learning English. What do you want? I want to improve my English. What is this? This is my notebook. What is that? That is my bag. What are you watching? I am watching a video. What are you eating? I am eating food. What are you drinking? I am drinking water. What are you thinking? I am thinking about my future. What are you reading? I am reading a book. What is the time? The time is 6 o'clock. What is your job? My job is teaching. What is your problem? My problem is hesitation. What is your plan? My plan is to practice daily. What is your goal? My goal is fluency. What is your hobby? My hobby is learning. What is your age? My age is 25. What is your opinion? My opinion is positive. What is the matter? The matter is simple. What is happening? Nothing is happening. Why are you late? I am late because of traffic. Why are you sad? I am sad because I am tired. Why are you happy? I am happy because I learned something. Why are you silent? I am silent because I am thinking. Why are you angry? I am angry because of stress. Why are you laughing? I am laughing because it's funny. Why are you worried? I am worried about work. Why are you busy? I am busy with my work. Why are you free? I am free today. Why are you here? I am here to learn. When will you come? I will come tomorrow. When will you go? I will go in the evening. When did you arrive? I arrived in the morning. When did you start? I started yesterday. When will it finish? It will finish soon. When are you leaving? I am leaving now. When are you coming back? I am coming back tomorrow. When is your exam? My exam is next week. When is your class? My class is today. When is your holiday? My holiday is on Sunday. How are you? I am fine. How is your work? My work is going well. How is your health? My health is good. How was your day? My day was good. How is the weather? The weather is nice. How did you learn? I learned by practice. How can I help you? You can guide me. How much is this? This is very cheap. How many people are there? There are 5 people. How long will it take? It will take 10 minutes. Is this your phone? Yes, this is my phone. Is that your bag? Yes, that is my bag. Is he your friend? Yes, he is my friend. Is she your sister? Yes, she is my sister. Is this correct? Yes, this is correct. Is it difficult? No, it is easy. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Is it necessary? Yes, it is necessary. Is it ready? Yes, it is ready. Is it enough? Yes, it is enough. Are you busy? No, I am free. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Are you sure? Yes, I am sure. Are you tired? Yes, I am tired. Are you hungry? Yes, I am hungry. Are you afraid? No, I am confident. Are you married? No, I am not married. Are you coming? Yes, I am coming. Are you learning English? Yes, I am learning. Are you serious? Yes, I am serious. Can you help me? Yes, I can help you. Can I come in? Yes, you can come in. Can I ask something? Yes, you can ask. Can you repeat? Yes, I can repeat. Can you explain? Yes, I can explain. Can you wait? Yes, I can wait. Can you speak English? Yes, I can speak English. Can you understand? Yes, I can understand. Can we start? Yes, we can start. Can we meet tomorrow? Yes, we can meet tomorrow. Do you know him? Yes, I know him. Do you like it? Yes, I like it. Do you want tea? Yes, I want tea. Do you work here? Yes, I work here. Do you study daily? Yes, I study daily. Do you remember me? Yes, I remember you. Do you agree? Yes, I agree. Do you understand English? Yes, I understand English. Do you have time? Yes, I have time. Do you trust me? Yes, I trust you. Did you eat food? Yes, I ate food. Did you call me? Yes, I called you. Did you finish work? Yes, I finished work. Did you understand? Yes, I understood. Did you see him? Yes, I saw him. Did you hear that? Yes, I heard that. Did you try again? Yes, I tried again. Did you practice today? Yes, I practiced today. Did you enjoy it? Yes, I enjoyed it. Did you learn something? Yes, I learned something. Should I go now? Yes, you should go now. Should I wait here? Yes, you should wait here. Should I call him? Yes, you should call him. Should I start? Yes, you should start. Should I stop? Yes, you should stop. Should I speak slowly? Yes, you should speak slowly. Should I practice daily? Yes, you should practice daily. Should I believe you? Yes, you should believe me. Should I try again? Yes, you should try again. Should I continue? Yes, you should continue. Will you help me? Yes, I will help you. Will you come tomorrow? Yes, I will come tomorrow. Will you call me? Yes, I will call you. Will you wait? Yes, I will wait. Will you teach me? Yes, I will teach you. Will you join us? Yes, I will join you. Will you start now? Yes, I will start now. Will you stop here? Yes, I will stop here. Will you try again? Yes, I will try again. Will you succeed? Yes, I will succeed. Have you eaten? Yes, I have eaten. Have you finished? Yes, I have finished. Have you seen this? Yes, I have seen this. Have you learned English? Yes, I have learned English. Have you practiced today? Yes, I have practiced today. Have you called him? Yes, I have called him. Have you decided? Yes, I have decided. Have you tried this? Yes, I have tried this. Have you understood? Yes, I have understood. Have you improved? Yes, I have improved. Is there any problem? No, there is no problem. Is there any time? Yes, there is time. Is there anyone here? Yes, someone is here. Is there any mistake? No, there is no mistake. Is there any chance? Yes, there is a chance. Is there any work? Yes, there is work. Is there any money? Yes, there is money. Is there any solution? Yes, there is a solution. Is there any doubt? No, there is no doubt. Is there any issue? No, there is no issue. What time will you wake up? I will wake up early. What will you do now? I will practice English. What will you say? I will say the truth. What will you learn? I will learn speaking. What will you choose? I will choose improvement. What will you eat? I will eat healthy food. What will you drink? I will drink water. What will you buy? I will buy books. What will you watch? I will watch learning videos. What will you achieve? I will achieve fluency. Where will you go tomorrow? I will go to work. Where will you stay? I will stay at home. Where will you sit? I will sit here. Where will you study? I will study at home. Where will you practice? I will practice daily. Where will you start? I will start today. Where will you stop? I will stop here. Where will you learn English? I will learn online. Where will you improve? I will improve everywhere. Where will you succeed? I will succeed in life. Who is calling you? My friend is calling me. Who is waiting outside? My brother is waiting outside. Who is teaching you? You are.